Hi everyone, welcome to English Wise. This is Mehak and I'm here with 5 tips for PT Academic that can actually help you to succeed and get your desired score in one go. Make sure that you like and subscribe our channel so you get all the tips and tricks and get your desired score. So let's begin with the thing. The number one tip for you is understand PT and what it tests. Usually what the students do is the teacher have taught them that read aloud is this, you are supposed to this. Have you ever read the instructions given? I always say read the instruction given. Go to Pearson actual website, look what the Pearson demands, what the Pearson is actually demanding for read aloud, for repeat sentences, for blanks, for spelling, so many things. For each and every section you need to know. The very first thing you should know that what PT actually demands. We have been seeing that students are speaking too fast in read aloud. Have you ever read the instructions in read aloud? It says read the text naturally and clearly. It says naturally. So always read the instructions carefully and see what PT demands for. The thing what PT demands for, you have to supply the same. You have to give the same thing. Yes. So make sure you always understand that what it demands. Let's say listening. For listening, what should be the thing? You should be able to understand the main ideas of the lecture, what the speaker is trying to say. Understanding is very important in your listening. So if your understanding is good, that means your listening is automatically good. Second, vocabulary. You need to work on vocabulary. You can't be repeating the vocabulary in spoken text, in reading, writing blanks, in reading blanks. So vocabulary is helpful. So you need to work on vocabulary. How you can work by watching the documentaries, listening to TED Talks, podcast, and so many things you can do that will boost up your vocabulary. Another thing, pronunciation. The people are so confused with this thing. Pronunciation means the word clarity. It doesn't mean that speaking each and every word. It means your word clarity of your words, the words which you are speaking in a clear manner. What you can do, you can watch short videos. You can definitely watch the BBC News, TED Talks of different lengths. Make summary of what they are saying. Make note of vocabulary what they are trying to use. That will be really helpful for you. So make sure you watch and that. Second thing, speak and write on a wide range of topics. Now, what do I mean by this thing is you are listening to TED Talks and podcast, news, and so many things that should be in English language. Please be stick to that. Now, another thing is they might have limited range of vocabulary. Make sure that you go for reading newspapers, magazines, academic papers, and so on, and make a list of them. You should have idea what the word means. You should read the books to understand. So always try to work on wide range of topics. Don't just stick to one. This will definitely help you to improve your reading plus your speaking too and your understanding, contextual understanding. Third, use template wisely. If you will be using the template wisely, you will definitely get a good score. I have seen students, they just cram the template and they just speak it in a full rush. You are not supposed to do that. In your describe image, write essay, retell lecture, spoken text, I have made a video on this as well. What kind of template you have to use and how to use it. You can see that. Also, in this, the template should be presented in such a way that you have made it. It's the natural thing. It shouldn't be the thing that you have crammed and you are just speaking and speaking. Check vocabulary, what kind of vocabulary is there in essay, what kind of grammar is there, describe image, check what words are there, retell lecture you should use. Always try to use the template wisely, speak them in a very natural manner that you have made it and you are speaking it in your own words. Fourth, use your own words and think critically. In write essay, do not use a one word template, please. Use your own words in this. You have to use your own ideas. You can use the language which you are familiar with. It shouldn't be that you have to write the formal language. The language which you are good with, if you can write some of the familiar words, you can write, but it should be relevant to the question asked. Don't try to use like you are using the words which you also don't know. You are just making a guess. Oh, this word can be this. Don't make guesses, please. Use the words which you are familiar with. Simple words are all good. It should be understandable and relevant to the topic. So make sure you use the ideas. Last thing, practice, practice, practice. Practice the important questions more. Follow the practice plan. Go for sectional and full mock test. Get regular feedback from your tutor. Don't forget to do that. Read a book, do spelling test. I have explained these things. So these are the 5 things that you can check, you can work on. Just think what PT asks for and give your response accordingly. Thank you so much everyone. We'll see you in the next video.